In this video, I'll show you how you can open your Steam game folder. Now, if you want to find where all your games are stored, you can come here and search for Steam, right click, open file location. In here, right click again and open file location, and this will bring you to the Steam folder. In here, what you want to do is you want to find Steam apps. In here, go to common, and in here, all your game folders will be. So let's say you want to go to the Terraria one, you can come in here and you can see all the Terraria stuff. Now another way you can do this is simply just opening Steam, go to library, find a game, and it needs to be installed. So find a game, properties, install files, and press browse. This will also take you to the specific game folder, but if you just want to see all of your game folders, just go to common and you can see them in here. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.